Welcome to Sales Era's Navigating the Eon of Marketing podcast, your go-to source for practical tips and tools to grow your business in the digital world.
Hello, and welcome to the Sales Era Show, Navigating the Eon of Marketing, the podcast brought you by Sales Era, a leading B2B digital marketing firm providing outsourcing, staffing, digital marketing, business development, IT support, and research report services. Today, we are exploring something every marketer and sales professional needs to hear: what to expect in digital marketing for 2025. A new year always brings new challenges, but 2025 is bringing us something more: a complete transformation in how we engage our prospect, build trust, and close deals. In this episode, we are talking AI, LinkedIn, data privacy, ABM, and the rise of interactive content. I'm going to walk you through the biggest B2B marketing trends shaping the year and how you can apply them to stay one step ahead. So let's jump in. Let's start with what's at the center of it all: artificial intelligence. AI isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's the engine behind almost every top-performing B2B campaign you will see in 2025. Let me paint a picture for you. A potential customer visits your website. Within seconds, they are shown a landing page personalized for their industry, their company size, and even their role, because the AI behind the scenes is analyzing user behavior, intent, and history in real time. Now imagine your sales team get a lead notification, not just saying someone visited your website, but who they are, what they read, how long they stayed, and whether they are showing buying intent based on past behavior. That's the level of intelligence we are working with now. We are seeing tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Salesforce Einstein being integrated to CRMs and marketing platforms. These aren't just writing tools. They are doing sentiment analysis, lead scoring, content suggestions, and outreach personalization. And it's not just limited to the website. AI is rewriting linking message on the fly, adjusting email campaigns based on performance, and generating entire marketing funnels that react to buyer behavior. In short, 2025 is not a year to test AI, it's the year to embrace it fully and let it drive smarter, faster, more meaningful connections. Alright, let's shift to where those conversations are happening. LinkedIn. In 2025, LinkedIn isn't just a resume network or a recruitment tool anymore. It's the B2B content platform. Decision makers are spending more time on LinkedIn than ever before. Why? Because they are looking for real insights, trustworthy content, and valuable connections. Here what's changed. People trust people. Posts from employees, founders, and experts constantly outperform company pages. Short-form videos are dominating feeds. Quick insights, behind-the-scenes clips, or mini case studies. These formats are pulling in major engagement. Live audio and linking live events are creating opportunities for real-time interaction and relationship building. And then there's social selling. It's no longer about spamming inboxes with cold DMs. It's about authenticity, empathy, and value. It's about starting conversations, not just pushing your pitch. So if you haven't yet, start creating, starting commenting, and most of all, start connecting. Let's talk about something crucial that's affecting every marketer right now: data privacy. Third-party cookies, almost gone. Google has begun its phase out. That means tracking leads across websites is harder and less reliable. That's where first-party data comes in. This is the kind of information your audience shares with you directly, like when they download a white paper, sign up for a webinar, or chat with your bot on your website. This kind of data is not only more compliant, it's more accurate and actionable. Create lead magnets that offer real value. Use quizzes, surveys, and conversation to gather insights ethically. And invest in customer data platforms to organize all this info in one place. In 2025, trust is currency, and first-party data is how you earn it. Let's talk about account-based marketing, ABM. It's not new, but in 2025, it's getting a serious upgrade. Today, ABM is about micro experiences. Imagine your prospect sees a case study written just for their industry, clicks through, and receives a video email personally greeting them and referencing a pain point they're facing. That's not ABM. It's ABM 2.0. It's powered by AI, personalized in real time, and coordinate across email, social, direct mail, and even chat. It's not about more leads. It's about better conversation with the right leads. Let's finish with the content. Content in 2025 is no longer static. Buyers want content they can interact with. Think calculators, clickable case studies, dynamic email newsletters, and short-form video. Personalized videos, recorded directly for a prospect, are seeing massive engagement. B2B audience want insight fast, and they want on the go. If your content isn't mobile-friendly, visual, and easy to digest, it's getting skipped. Alright, let's wrap it up. We have covered a lot today, from the rise of AI-powered personalization and linking new role in B2B to the importance of first-party data, smarter ABM strategies, and the evolution of content marketing. The future of digital marketing isn't just about doing more, it's about doing it smarter, more personally, and with greater agility. If you enjoyed today's episode, here's what you can do next. Follow us on Instagram, Sales Era Global, for quick tips, updates, and behind-the-scenes insights. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth videos, tutorials, and success stories from our clients. And if your business needs support in digital marketing, lead generation, staffing, IT support, or customer research, reach out to us directly at salesera.net. We'd love to hear from you, collaborate, and help your team scale with confidence. Thank you for joining me today on Sales Era Show, navigating the eon of marketing. I'm Oliver, and until next time, stay smart, stay curious, and stay ahead.
Thanks for tuning in to Sales Era's Navigating the Eon of Marketing podcast. Stay inspired, stay innovative, and we'll see you in the next episode.